Here's a before of, figure it's a 1975 Husky 360 MX GP, hopefully. Been told it has an alloy tank. Might be something. And ran when parked. So we're gonna do a before and after. See if I can find the engine numbers. But it's got throttle that goes back and forth, and some funky triple clamps. Not sure if that's stock to a Husky. And the head has about 3 broken cylinders, which don't worry me. Kicks over. And here's like what I look at like an early super trap. Once again, nothing but potential. After about $3,000 to make it look like a, I don't know, Mikola replica or whatever they were back then. So we'll see what the before and after is. And here's part of the after. The tank is alloy, so it's super easy to clean. So no rust. Seat's in decent shape, and just cleaned up super nice. And then now you can kind of look through it, and it'll be good to see the before and after of this. And that was about 3 hours of cleaning. And so the number is 2045, and the engine stamping is 1249. And this is ML01838. And I'm gonna put the tank and seat back on and call it good. And here's the after. And if you look at the before and after, you'll see all the wheels now are silver. The hubs are silver, and everything's as clean as I can get it. So this is a terrific start for something. And actually cleaned up the plastic too. That looks pretty good. And this is the stuff I like. That big chunk missing out of the cylinder head, or the fins. And gonna have to research those front forks.